Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share 5 essential tips to succeed in Monopoly Go without spending a dime. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. So first up, add friends to your game. So whether you invite people you know or add random players, having a network is crucial in Monopoly Go. Playing with friends not only enhances the fun but also provides strategic advantages, which I will discuss further in this video. Next, you need to take the advantage of the card trading feature. So you can trade up to 5 duplicate cards daily with friends, helping you complete sticker collections and earn more ties. While shiny cards can't be traded yet, using this feature effectively can significantly boost your progress. Moving on to board building, here is a crucial tip: don't build too quickly. In Monopoly Go, shields protect your properties from attacks, but once depleted, your buildings are vulnerable. So to save the resources, hold off on constructing new buildings until you can complete a board. This strategy minimizes repair costs, although it won't protect against heists and rent charges. Now let's talk about the dice rolls. So it's tempting to use all your dices at once, especially after completing a card collection or getting a lucky streak. However, playing strategically and taking breaks when rolls aren't going your way will leave you better prepared for future challenges. Save some rolls for daily tournaments where placing high can earn you some more dice. Finally, when participating in tournaments, doesn't hesitate to target friends. Focus on attacking those with unprotected properties to score more points and climb the leaderboard. While it might be tough on friendships, this tactic can give you a competitive edge. Remember, you can choose your opponents for shutdowns, so take advantage of this to maximize your gains. So that's all for the tips on Monopoly Go. Let me know in the comments if there are other strategies you would like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more free to play guides. Thank you so much for watching and happy gaming.